Hi everybody, this is Susie. I did a video showing the unboxing of this awesome card kit, and my daughter, 14-year-old, deleted it on accident. So anyways, I'm videoing again to show you guys, and I'm sorry it's not my first impressions because the video got deleted on me. So anyways, I wanted to tell you guys about this kit. It's called the Flavor of the Month kit by Scrapping for Less. The theme of the month is Pirates and Mermaids. And there are different levels of this kit that you can purchase depending on your what you want and what you can afford and all that. Anyway, which is totally cool, so that it it caters to a lot more people that way. So anyways, it's a fairly new card kit, and I actually came across it by accident. I discovered card kits about 2 months ago, and before that I honestly didn't even know they were out there. Anyway, and I have since subscribed to 3 of them: the Spellbinders, the Hero Arts, and the Flavor of the Month. So anyways, so without further ado, and I will leave in the description box a link for you guys to go check this out. It's pretty cool. So anyways, this is your kit, and I purchased everything that you could get, which included all 4 kits and embellishments and whatnot. So anyways, there's 2 stamp sets by Lawn Fawn, and actually there was a 3rd one also, and I'll read, well, I don't know if I have the note anymore, but basically the Lawn Fawn company was having a hard time getting all of the product to her in time to get it sent out on time, and she didn't want everybody to wait anymore, so she went ahead and sent it out. And then the 1 stamp set that we didn't get this time will be in the next time's monthly kit. So anyway, so there's this Lawn Fawn set, which is totally adorable, and it's called Ahoy Matey, I believe. Let me look. Yeah, Ahoy Matey. And it's totally cute. So there's this one and this one that I am in love with. This one is called Mermaid for You by Lawn Fawn, and I love this stamp set. It is adorable. So you get that one, and like I said, there was one more that you got too, but that one won't be in that one will be in the next time's kit. So you get a piece of very pretty fabric ribbon, and then an ink cube by Clearly Kelly, and I'm not familiar with this brand, so I'm excited to try it out. And you get 4 different kits in one. You get 4 different ones, which is amazing. And this, for everything, everything that you can get is $35 a month with $5 shipping. Holy cow, that is such a smoking good deal. So anyways, there's this first one. Well, actually, start with number 1. Let's see. Well, evidently they aren't. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll start with this one. Okay, so and this paper is so stinking cute. Alright, so you get this little one here, just totally adorable. And you get sequence that matches the kit, which is totally awesome. And this is, well, it says Ahoy Matey, and KG, I think is what that is. Very cool. Let's see if it says what the brand on the sequence is. Kennedy Grace. Kennedy Grace sequence. And there's this little one. This is so perfect for a little boy. And this one. And this one. Super cute. And then this one. And then you also get a small piece of baker's twine. And then this paper is one-sided. And so there's this one. And I like that the banding has paper, designer paper on it also, which you could totally use. This one. I love this one. I think this is so stinking cute. This one. And this one. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of designer paper and 1 envelope. And then this is the next kit. And where's the opening? There it is. Okay, so you get the Kennedy Grace matching sequence. And there's this sticker. And this paper is so stinking cute. And you get an envelope with each one of the kits. And this is double-sided. There's this, which is so cute. And then this is on the other side. And then this one, little fishies, and then little bubbles. And this one, I love that. I think that's so cute. And then this. So cute. And this one looks like waves. Okay. I make sure there was one piece there, I wasn't sure. And that is the next kit. And then I'll do this one next. How cute. And each one of these has matching sequence that totally goes with the collection. Okay, so here's your matching sequins, and there's little beads and stuff in there. And this one, oh, jeez, this is so cute. That is adorable, and I love the glitter on there. And then the paper, and, oh, and your envelope. This is so cute, and this is one-sided, and I love that it looks like a treasure map, which is so cool. Love that color. And this one, this paper is so cute. And I think that goes like this. And this one, oh, super cute. And that one. And this one. Super, super cute. And then last but not least, there's this kit. Okay, and these super cute stickers, and your matching sequins. Oh my gosh, these are oops. Hope if I could hang on to them. These are so cute, and they're like little bubble stickers. They're dimensional. They are adorable. And you have some epoxy dots, different sizes. And this paper is double-sided also, and this is 6.5 by 6. This paper is. There's that side, that's like a hot pink and dots. Like waves in kind of a pinky purple color. Oh, it is so adorable. Oh, that's cute too. Very pretty. And then little crabs. I guess I got this one upside down. And that side. And I love this one. I think this is so cute. And oops. Trying to combine two together there, and then this is on the back, and then this one with the green on the back. And then you not only get all of that, but you also get a die, and it says Dream Big, and this is by X-Cut, I think. Is this, oh, Do Crafts, by Do Crafts. It says Dream Big with 3 little stars. How cute. Oh, and then this is the insert that she put in here about the missing stamp set. How totally awesome. And you also get a card sketch to give you some ideas to get started making your cards, which I thought was a nice touch. Get that, and then on top of all of that, we have cardstock, and this isn't just any cardstock, it's by Brazil, and you guys know how expensive this cardstock is. So you get one piece of purple, and we have a green, and this is really heavyweight cardstock, super, super thick, and all of it is by Brazil. There we go. And this little boo-boo I have on my paper is thanks to my mail lady, which I am not happy with right now, because she literally folded my package in half and shoved it in my box. So, anyways. But, yeah, you guys can see. And it wrinkled the one spot on all my paper, which I was so not happy about. But, you know, it is what it is. So, there's this one, and that's like a hot pink, a dark hot pink. And then there's a light blue. And it's all the same brand. And then there is also 1, 2, there's 4 pieces of white cardstock in here, and it's nice weight. It's not a real thin, it's not super heavy, but it's not thin either. Anyways, there's 4 pieces of that, and then the paper came with these pieces of lightweight chipboard on either side, what I am totally going to keep and use for something. So I thought that was cool. And that completes the card kit. But wow, there's so much stuff here that's just an awesome deal. And let me put it all back up there. Oh, there we go. And we also have the ink cube and the ribbon. Anyways, that completes this card kit, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be doing some videos on making some stuff with this kit, and so keep an eye out for that. And anyways, well, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome crafty day, which is one of my subscribers says to me just about on every video, which I think is totally adorable. Anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!